Ever wondered how a 10-second smartphone voice recording could detect diabetes? Or how about an AI tool that could replicate the voices of renowned musicians? Today we delve into the world of AI advancements, exploring these remarkable innovations and more. Let's start with a breakthrough from Click Labs. Scientists from the organization recently conducted a study that suggests a quick smartphone voice recording could soon provide immediate results for detecting type 2 diabetes. With a sample size of 267 participants, the team collected over 18,000 recordings over 2 weeks. Through analysis, they discovered that certain acoustic features like pitch and intensity consistently differed between diabetic and non-diabetic participants. This data was then used to develop an AI-based program that proved to be 89% accurate for identifying diabetic women and 86% accurate for diabetic men. As Click Labs research scientist J.C. Kaufman points out, this innovative approach to diabetes detection could eliminate the time, travel, and cost barriers associated with current methods. In other news, YouTube is making strides to push the boundaries of music creation. The video streaming platform is developing an AI-powered tool capable of replicating the voices of renowned musicians, while the company has approached multiple music companies to acquire rights for training the AI tool. It has yet to secure the necessary permissions. As AI-generated tracks gain popularity, concerns about copyright infringement grow. While some artists welcome this new era of music creation, others are advocating for regulations to protect their voices from unauthorized replication. Meanwhile, OpenAI has introduced a robust safety system for DALL-E 3, an AI model designed to generate images from textual descriptions. Feedback from early users has been invaluable, helping to address safety concerns and identify potential issues. As the model was prepared for launch, steps were taken to ensure it didn't mimic living artists or produce inappropriate representations. OpenAI is also working on a tool to verify if an image was generated by DALL-E 3, emphasizing the importance of collaboration in AI development. Lastly, Meta Platforms Inc., the parent company of Facebook and other major platforms, has revealed a deep learning application called Image Decoder. This technology translates brain activity into precise images of what a person is viewing or contemplating almost in real time. Despite achieving up to 70% accuracy in its best cases, there are ethical concerns revolving around mental privacy. As of now, the technology is most effective with tangible imagery of physical objects and sites, with its accuracy significantly reduced during disruptive tasks or when individuals imagine abstract representations. Indeed, the world of AI is ever evolving, and these developments are just the tip of the iceberg. As technology continues to advance, one can only imagine what the future holds for artificial intelligence and how it will shape our lives in the years to come. Subscribe to keep up with the latest AI news.